Eating a balanced diet is essential. It provides our bodies with the necessary nutrients. Good nutrition helps maintain a healthy weight. It also reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Whole foods are recommended over processed foods. Fruits and vegetables should be included in meals. Lean protein sources are important for muscle growth. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Whole grains should be prioritized over refined grains. Limiting sugar and saturated fat intake is crucial. Nutrition is important at every stage of life. Healthy eating habits should be established in childhood. Proper nutrition can help prevent health problems. It can improve mental health and cognitive function. Hydration is vital for optimal body function. Drinking enough water is important. Avoiding sugary and caffeinated beverages is recommended. Reading food labels can help make informed choices. Moderation is key in all aspects of nutrition. Eating a wide variety of foods is key. Portion control is important in maintaining a healthy weight. It's okay to indulge in moderation. Supplements should not replace a balanced diet. Consulting with a dietitian may improve nutrition habits. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle goes beyond nutrition. Physical activity and adequate sleep are important too. Getting enough vitamins and minerals is essential. Eating a rainbow of colors ensures nutrient variety. Food preparation methods impact nutritional value. Grilling, baking, and steaming are recommended. Overcooking or overprocessing can reduce nutrient content. Packing a balanced lunch can improve nutrition. Skipping meals is not recommended. Eating slowly and mindfully can prevent overeating. Stress can impact nutrition habits. Managing stress can aid in proper nutrition. Making small, gradual changes can lead to lasting improvements. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.